Hey guys, it's Vince. I want to wish everybody a happy belated Thanksgiving. I hope you guys all had a blessed day yesterday. Today, of course, is my Black Friday deals. I just want to let everyone know, first and foremost, that I'm not feeling well, so I'm going to cover this as quick as possible. But I believe I put together some packages here that for many of you that have been saving all year to get quality components, these will help you out tremendously. I do pride myself on being one of the only vendors in this genre to actually offer Black Friday deals. So I hope you take the time to watch the whole video and hopefully you'll find something you need. That being said, for my international clients, keep in mind all packages include free shipping in the US. I cannot offer that to you. I will, however, offer you any shipping method you prefer, pending, of course, you include insurance, because I cannot be liable for the carrier, and of course with customs, anything can happen. So I've been down that road before. I'll work with anybody if you work with me. So let's see what we got here. First and foremost, I'm offering two packages with the Gecko G540 4-axis driver with 3-year US warranty. You're also going to get three 300-ounce, 3.5 amp motors. Those are my 37.5 inch-pound motors at 300-ounce inch rating. Again, these motors are excellent. They're matched for the G540. The kit is $395. That includes UPS shipping in the US, but I'm also going to throw in a free 10-foot DS Flexion spindle cable DIY kit. That is my 10 million Ultra Flex cable. When I say 10 million, it's 10 million flex cycles. And again, it's got an extremely tight MBR rating of 2.9 inches. Just to show you, I put the link here so we could show you the exact price of what this cable costs. Because rather than sit here and tell you, there you go. You're saving $65 on a $395 package. So right there, you guys can break down the math. I'm making this real simple. Get out of here. Go to the next one. I'm going to list 10 of these packages of 2,500. That's correct, 2,500 DXF pre-made files without a copyright. They are generic files. With a selection catalog to help you go through the catalog and pick and select which files you want to produce for your client on a USB drive for $50 shipped in the US. That's 2 cents a file. You will not touch that anywhere. If you do not have these files, or if there's only a couple you need, break it down, guys. Files are products. Many of you already know that. Even if you're doing engravings, whatever you're doing, these will streamline your entire process. I will cut over right now to show you just a sample of what is included, because there's no way in hell I'm going through 2,500 files, but you'll definitely see there's a lot of files, and these are mastered. They are not going to require rework. They are all tweaked and ready to go. Okay guys, in this portion of the video I'm explaining what is included with the DX file library. First of all, you're getting the PDF clip art library. So you can see here the PDF just shows exactly what files are included. And again, I'm not kidding. You got floral designs, garden designs. You can see it's all by chapters, and then you've got designs 1, 2, so on and so forth. Food and beverage, holiday designs, fantasy designs, tree designs, car and truck, boats, ships, nautical, skulls and flames, hot rod designs, fish designs, wild animals and dinosaurs, horse and farm animal, cat and dog, bird and insect, scenic frame designs, cartoon designs, kids and toys, firearm, music and sports, those are huge. Religious designs, police and fire department designs, those are also huge. Native American designs, patriotic designs, equipment and appliance designs, corner and bracket designs. For my carpenters out there, this is priceless. These border and frame designs, border pieces and ornament designs, number designs, fonts, pinstripe, let's see, signs, flags, banner, arrows, home buildings, custom pinstripe designs, and now you can see how it's set up. Everything is numbered. So if you find a design you like, you just find that number file, and you'll see how everything is organized. I'll go over to those in a minute, but you'll see what is here. I'm just going to come in. I'll actually zoom in a little bit, give you guys better imaging. Once again, every file has been remastered, so you can get an idea of what you're looking at. Got garden. I mean, this list goes on and on and on. And most of my clients, I would say a good 99% will find at least one design that they like or that another potential client of theirs likes, and they'll instantly pay these off. So again, I'm basically giving them away for free the way I look at it, because I know one actual cut with one of these files is going to pay for itself. But I mean, it goes on and on. You can just see these are all remastered. There is no funny business. You don't have to go in and retrace, and these are professionally remastered. You're all set. Trying to give you guys the biggest bang for your buck. For those of you that want quick products, these files are products. So you just pick and choose what you want. I'm just going to keep going. You can see where the bar is, and it's got to come all the way down here to be at the end, just so everybody knows there is a ton of files. Let's see. Flames. Flame designs are always really hot. I get guys always want them, especially with plasma cutters. Another thing to keep in mind, DXF files can be used on any CNC machine. They can be converted. If you're not sure, ask. But rest assured, the file is pretty much universal when it comes to working with CNC equipment. Fish. Animals. Or wildlife. Cat and dogs. These are really popular for those doing pet products. Insects, scenic frames. Here we go. There we go. It's just insane, guys. There's a ton of options. The odds of you finding at least one is pretty much dead on. Once I get down to these are cartoons right now, but once we get down to the different types of corners and brackets, I know many of you will be all over it. Firearms, instruments. Here we go. These are huge if you're doing any type of awards for our first responders. I get guys that use this alone. This one actual page, it's immense. They can make an entire business off it. Here we go again. Here's some bracketry trims. Badges for sheriff. This is real popular. The list just keeps going. I don't think you'll find a $50 investment for products going to give you $2,500 of anything. That's all digitally remastered. So load them up, convert them to whatever format's required. You're ready to go. Here we go. Corner and bracket designs. Another sheet that basically pays for itself. What are you looking to produce? My guys out there doing crown molding and whatnot, these are worth a fortune. There you go. It just goes on and on, gentlemen. So again, if you guys have questions about what's included, you can see here we're almost probably about three-quarters, maybe a little past half. And you can see, I mean, everything, every size, shapes. I mean, these will save you a tremendous amount of time as far as what you're doing. And remember, you can always incorporate multiple pieces. I get that question a lot. Can you mix files? Of course. Like if you wanted to go with this as a background and then this inside that, you could do that, but you're not having to draw all of it. So think about it. Once again, frame and borders, these are huge as well. Great for cabinets. My guy's doing cabinet work, inlay work, stained glass work. I have a lot of clients doing that. Ornament designs. There you go. More like pinstripe effects. Border pieces. More of them. I mean, it just keeps going. I've used these myself quite a bit. Some of my clients that already have them, like I said, I don't run many sales on these because I kind of forget that I even have them. But I know it saves a lot of people time, and especially now when things are getting busy, guys are wanting to get a business off the ground. You don't get any better than having 2,500 ready to go products. All you have to have is the ideas to use them, and that's it. Learn the equipment, have the ideas to use them, and you already got products. Load and go. And here we go again, ornament designs. Once again, really cool for kitchen, crown molding. Massive, massive amount of files. Here we go, numbers. A lot of guys ask about fonts, numbers. They're all here, flame numbers. I'm not holding anything back, guys. This easily is at least $200 worth of files. I know for a fact it is. If you look them up online, you'll see it every day. And these are professionally remastered. I'm not selling the crap that has to be tweaked and played with. I use them myself. Like I said, I want to make sure I can just copy and paste and load up and go. Use your fonts. More flames on the font. Creative fonts. These are really cool for over the bed in bedrooms and whatnot. Initials. Pinstripe designs. Guys doing plasma cutting, these are great for different types of cuts and graves. My guys working with routers, this stuff is amazing if you're doing detail work. You see these are really, really intricate. Signs, flags, and banners. I don't think it gets any easier to make money than this. There you go. More templates again. Here we go. Once again, here's another section that basically one of these signs pays for the entire thing of files. There you go. These are great templates for other businesses. Fantastic way to streamline making money. I mean, you can basically lowball anybody because all the work is done. Just put the text in with the text included in one of these files, and you're basically done. More templates. I was not kidding when I said there's quite a few at 2,500 plus. There's buildings, pinstripes, again. Just keeps going. More detailed pinstripes. And there you go. So I went through them all. It's 303 pages in the catalog, just to give you an idea of just how serious this is. The file format, just going to cover that real brief. Let's go back over here. Okay. You can see bonus files. Got some bonus files in here. Bonus file instructions, you'll get those as well. floral designs, and you just pick which section matching to the catalog. It's very, very simple. If you wanted, let's say, hot rod designs, just go into File, and then it'll tell you folder 1, 2, 3, select which folder it's in, and then they're numbered. And you can see the DXFs are all numbered, matched to the catalog. And you just select which one you want, load it up, you're ready to go. So again, just a cataloging effect, taking into account that these files are all set, ready to go, on top of them being organized, on top of you getting the bonus files. I don't think I really have to tell you too much. I mean, at 50 bucks, like I said, I think it pretty much explains. I'm trying to give you guys the biggest handshake in terms of making money you possibly can. So again, I hope it at least helps one of you. This is probably going to be one of the most craziest packages I've offered, and I guarantee you will not find one like this. I'm doing an actual sale on my HP Pro 640 G5 i7 laptop. And these are ProBooks. I'm only offering one package with this. It's got the 8665U processor, 32 gigs of memory, dual solid-state drives, and a built turnkey G540 system with 300-ounce motors for $1,800 shipped in the U.S. Now, rather than tell you what this costs, I'm just going to show you the individual pricing I have them sold them for prior. Now, just so everybody knows, you can see the laptop alone sells for $1,700, and just so everybody knows what makes this laptop so special, because it's a business-grade unit, is the fact that it does include an extended HP Care Package warranty until June of 2024. These units are still brand new, and they still come with the on-site service with that warranty till June of 2024. So just the laptop sells for $1,700. You can see I've sold 10 of them, so this is not a BS price. This is what this unit sells for. Retail on these easily is over $2,500 if you can find them. Next, let's look at the controller pricing. Model link. And this is just my standard 300-ounce controller with all my new revisions on eBay. You can see here it's $760 plus $22.85. Basically, guys, you are getting this at a complete steal. I mean, you're more or less paying what, basically $100 for a controller with motors. So one guy is going to get real lucky if he's serious about getting involved with this, and I hope I make somebody really excited, and hopefully they'll have a great Christmas and be able to get that business off the ground. Like I always tell you guys, save, put the money away, and hopefully you'll be in the right place at the right time, and I'm sure someone will be for this deal. Let's go to the next deal. These I get requests for all the time, always getting asked, when am I going to put them on special? And these are my 18.4 double shielded built motor cables, a set of 4. I'm not doing 1 or 2, I'm doing a set of 4. That means it will handle a 4-axis system with dual GX16 5-pin connectors pre-installed, all built, and I'm doing a set of 4 for $125. Now guys, I'm going to tell you right now, this is a steal, because I'm going to show you what the price is on these. Come over here. So you're saving $50 on a set of these. Now, if you're building an IDS system, an individual drive system, these are going to save you hours of time in building your motor cables. Everything has already been done. They feature 18-gauge leads. Once again, it's a 5-pin connector. The 5th pin is allocated to the shield drain, so it's your ground. Everything else is done. All you will need is your connectors to match these cables, and that's it. But you're saving $50 right off the top, and I get asked about these all the time. I sell them individually, I sell them all over the place, but these are ones that I feel will give you guys the biggest bang for your buck for a couple reasons. If you only need 1 or 2, even if you buy them on sale, you'll have a couple in-house as replacement should you ever require them, or if you decide to expand your system. So again, good deals all around. I think the laptop deal is insane. Hopefully, like I said, you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Unfortunately, I was sick, so I didn't have such a great one. But hey, there's always going to be sunshine after every cloudy day. So I hope that one of you guys will find something you like. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask. I'll do my best to answer as soon as possible. The shop is insane right now. It's a blessing and a curse. But once again, it could be much worse, and I'm doing my best to get back with everybody as soon as possible. Once again, bear with me. I am not feeling so hot, but I will continue to help out as much as I can. And whatever you guys need, let me know. Thank you.